Hello and welcome back to the SKUSavvy YouTube channel where we are demystifying the complexities of e-commerce order fulfillment through the use of intuitive tools and knowledge to help optimize your operations. Today we are discussing multi-box shipping. So with multi-box, this is a method that carriers use to provide one shipment label, one tracking label. However, that's split across more than one box. So as you can see here, I've already got an order that's loaded up, and I'm just going to show you how to assemble the multi-box fulfillment. So first of all, you do need to have a carrier that supports multi-box. So if we come into our order here, we can see this order has quite a few items. So we're going to go ahead and fulfill it and create a batch for this order. Now I'm going to fast forward as we pick through all the products, and you'll notice that the items are highlighting there on the visual map. And once we've got our items picked, we are going to package these up. And as we start packaging them, you'll notice that this little plus icon shows up, which is going to enable us to add a box to this single shipment. This is alerting us that not every carrier supports multi-box, but we're going to go ahead and split that off. And so what you're seeing here is that all of the unpacked, so all of the items that we have not yet packed into here, are still available in each box. So if I start clicking into one box or the other, we're going to eliminate the items that are packed into the other one. And so now we've got all of our items packed into two different boxes here. We could go ahead and rearrange these items by clicking and dragging them. We could go ahead and delete the box if we wanted to, or unpack this, put it back into the shipment and make edits to the order. At this point, we can go ahead, select our packaging for each box. And at this point, we're going to go ahead and get our rates from carriers and be able to select a rate from the carriers that you've already got selected. Now we could also go ahead and just manually mark this fulfilled, which is going to update the order back to Shopify and still using the multiple packages that we have arranged here. So when you go ahead and purchase the carrier label, that's going to give you two labels under one shipment code for this single order. Hopefully that was helpful. If you haven't already, make sure to get a SKUSavvy account at app.skusavvy.com/register, and we'll see you on the next one.